Hi everyone! Today I am in my girls' shared bedroom again for part 2. We are working on this corner of my daughter's bedroom, and this mainly houses toys and the Barbie dream house that my youngest daughter has, which was passed down from my oldest daughter. And she's this corner has always been an eyesore, so we're going to tidy this up and get this looking really neat and tidy. We might even remove the Barbie dream house from here. So the first thing to do is to grab a box or a bin, a couple of them, and start sorting by the type of toys that it is. Here we're sorting out all of the Barbie dream house accessories. We're going to put them in this cardboard box. Marie Kondo recommends that you really do just use shoe boxes or cardboard boxes, whatever you have lying around the house. And on my Konmari journey, I've learned that this is a great idea because there's always things that you're finding around the house, and you may need to expand that storage. If you buy a piece of storage like a bin, you might find that it's either too much or too little. So this way you can see exactly how many things you have, and you can buy an appropriate bin to fit those things that you actually do need. So I really do agree with Marie on this and do recommend this. The next thing you want to do is to clean the spot where your toys were. This goes without saying, but also make sure that if you're putting the toys in a different place or your items in a different place, make sure to clean that spot as well before you place your items there. The toys my daughter uses on a daily basis will be housed on the top shelf of their closet, and the rest of the toys will go into storage to prepare for our house sale, and they'll be brought out on a rotation basis.